Hi friends, do you know how to calculate the stage storage for volumes of pond and the surfaces in AutoCAD Civil 3D? We use this method to calculate the volume which we have according to our contours or polyline surfaces. So in this video I will tell you how you can do this stage storage procedure. Before starting, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Civil Guru 04. Here you can get many videos about land surveying and AutoCAD Civil 3D. Actually, it's my channel for a free complete training of AutoCAD Civil 3D with 18 chapters, and now we are going in 7th number chapter. You can also access my Facebook page, Land Developer and Architect Designer. You can share your experience about AutoCAD Civil 3D here, and if you want to learn that how you can make money with AutoCAD Civil 3D, you can ask me anything on my Facebook page. So let's start our tutorial. For example, we have this surface and we want to calculate the volume of this surface by stage storage. First of all, you need to go on the Analyze tab. Okay, click here and the Design panel. Here we have Design panel. Click on the little triangle to expand this panel. Then you will see at the end of the panel stage storage, which we are going to proceed. Click on stage storage. In stage storage dialog box, you need to put something before calculating your volumes and your reports. Actually, you can save this report as a CSV, as a notepad file, and you can also insert this tab, this report in the AutoCAD drawing. So first of all, you need to write the report title. I can write here volume report. You can do that accordingly, and the project name I can write here site 1. Basin description, you can write what was the basin and anything. If you can't write, no problem. So volume calculation method, you can see here we have volume calculation method. We have here two methods, average and area. If you are a civil engineer or associate engineer, then you can know what is the average and area and what is the conic approximation. You can use anyone you can select here, but if you want good, I will recommend that you need to use both of them. At the end, basin definition, you need to define basin definition option. You can select define basin from entities or use manual contours data. If you are manual contours data, you can load table here, and you will select any Excel file or notepad file to calculate the volume. But for now we have a surface and we need to select define basin from entities. Click on define basin. It will open define basin from entities. Here you can now write the basin name. I can write basin name contours, or you can write anything. Then define basin from surface contour, you can select, or if you have polylines which have elevations, then you can select define basin from polyline. But now I am going to select define basin line from surface contour, because you can see I have my surface in AutoCAD Civil 3D. Then click define. When you click define, it will show the selection tool and click here. When you select your surface, you can see it's give me a complete report about my stage storage volume in a table form. So you can see here contours elevation, contours area, incremental depth, average and area, and average and area calculation, conical volume, increment volume, and conical accumulative volume. So we have here everything about stage storage. If you want to save this file, you can click on save table and write the name table volume. You can select them and save. Go in your computer and you can see we have a file. I don't know, I don't know the path of my file, so I can save again, and we can see for saving table. You can click on saving table and it will create a file in your computer. And if you want to create a report about this table, you can click on create report, and then you will write here the name for the report and then click save. It will save this report in the notepad file. You can see we have all the data here about everything stage storage. So if you want to write these all values in the Excel, you can import them in Excel. So if you want to add this table, stage storage volume table, in your drawings, you need to click here on insert and then select any area in your drawing, then close this one, and you can see here you have a complete stage storage table with everything. So in this method you know that how can we calculate the stage storage for any surface. Hope you like this video. If you like, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get latest notification about videos. Thank you.